Hello. This is part 3 of the unboxing. So, not sure. Oh, I think I know what this one is. Yep. So, if you watched the other one, this is going to be a spoiler, but if you don't want it to be spoiled, go watch part 2. So, the spoilers in 3, 2, 1. So, this is the Gentex GXS, which is the, oh my god, that's a lot, the remote strobe version of these. So, my first GXS, I also have a mini horn version of these, and pretty sure they're all different. No, I don't have a Gentex device with like the third gen or first gen, I don't know, the all thing. But, so that was the GXS. There's not much to say about it. This is number 2. I completely forgot what this was. Oh, I have an idea. They're all just inspecting. They're so cute.
Fire alarm cats.
I know what this is. Oh yeah. You guys will see. So this is the remote strobe version of the ADA Mass series. The only other ADA Mass that I have is the speaker strobe. So, I think...
What's it look like on the back?
The back is just like that.
Simple.
These are tiny, tiny screws, but it will be fine. And then I'll have more parts soon, but I think for this, I'm just gonna, since I just have one more, then, well, for right now, then I'll just do this. I know exactly what this is because it came today. Didn't do it, but good enough. Ooh, I'm excited to get this. So, this looks just like a Wheelock E90. But no, it's a Wheelock CH90, so it's a chime strobe. I think it's cool. There's the back. Alright. So, that's all the parts for now. Maybe in a few days, more parts will come out. Cool. We got some cleaning up to do. Alright, see you next time. Bye.